Hello world, Akash here. Hope you all are doing good. So today I'm excited to share one of my best seafood recipe with you all, and the name of the dish is Masala Coconut Calamari. Calamari is widely famous around the world with all cuisines, and it's mostly fried and goes with chips, and that's too tastes amazing. But my recipe is going to be more easy, fun, delightful with a little Indian touch. And we'll serve our calamari with lemon butter sauce and rice. Let's start and cut the calamari real quick. We'll cut the calamari in thick rings and we'll try to keep it even. It's very important to keep it thick because if you cut it thin, it's gonna be dry, which you won't like it. We'll slice 2 medium onions. We'll chop some curry leaves. We'll make a quick spice mix. We have got turmeric, we have got coriander and red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. And just a half red chili powder. Calamari don't take much time to cook, so we'll make our lemon butter sauce before and we'll keep it aside, and then we'll cook calamari. For that, we're gonna use half of lemon juice and 4 to 5 cubes of butter. Lemon juice straight in the pan. We'll reduce it a bit. Now we'll add 4 to 5 cubes of butter, and we'll make sure we'll turn down the temperature. We have to cook this in a very low heat, and we need to stir this continuously. Our lemon butter sauce is ready here, and we'll keep it aside. We'll cook the calamari real quick. We'll start off with some vegetable oil or olive oil, chopped curry leaves, sliced onions, will give a nice translucent color. So now we got it here, and this is the time where we're gonna add ginger garlic paste. We'll cook the ginger garlic paste for a couple of minutes, and then we will add masala, the spice mix we made before. Now we'll add our calamari straight in the masala mix. We'll mix them. We'll add some salt to taste. We'll add a little water to give a quick mix. We'll put a lid on and we'll cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. We'll take out the lid. It's almost cooked, and now we'll try to dry this. We'll add some more curry leaves and some grated fresh coconut. Smells amazing. The coconut is working well. This is the most exciting part. I love plating, and then we can eat it straight away. So let's do it. Some lemon butter sauce on the base, straight in the middle of the plate. some nice and fresh jasmine rice on the middle. Some leftover lemon butter sauce on the top. All done. We'll finish it up with some freshly blanched broccoli, just like this on the top. Try this recipe at home because it's gonna taste amazing. Believe me. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. So please like, share, subscribe and comment for more upcoming recipes coming up. Thank you.